One, cut hands of thief, male or female, as exemplary recompense when someone has been punished and they have, and then related to that, when someone has been punished and they have repented, then we shouldn't label them and further torture them. So this was the action, and we had a bit of a discussion around it. So this, we, some people may think, it's a very severe law and it is a harsh punishment and all of this. No, this is coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We will follow it. It is an exemplary recompense because you want other people not to follow the same lines, and one small theft can lead to something bigger and bigger and bigger crimes. But however, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that once those people who have gone through this punishment and now they're trying to recover and they correct their lives, then take them, accept them, don't label them, don't say, this guy is a thief, or this guy has a criminal record, now he cannot get a job, he cannot get this. These are wrong things. So in our society today, yes, we have lenient laws. So the way we are designed is not even correct. So we have lenient laws, and then those lenient laws enable a person, and he doesn't even fail them. He goes to a jail, or in 2-3 months he gets free food and all of that, and then they come out even becoming a bigger gangster, and then there is a label on them that this guy has a criminal record, so he cannot do X, Y, Z, and all of this. So it is completely opposite of what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us. The punishment should be harsh. It should be exemplary for all of the other people to take heed from it and not to think about even repeating it. And then accept that person once they have taken the punishment as part of your society, and help them to get back to, recover back to the right way, according to the guidance. Then the reasons all of the books came, Torah to Musa alayhi salam, Injil to Isa alayhi salam, in their right forms, and now the Holy Quran, the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, these are the books based on which we have to judge between people. The laws should be made, the collective laws, individual laws, society, economic, social, anything. All of these laws should be made according to the guidance of the Holy Quran and Hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As this is the right way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to lead our lives. And then this point that we just discussed, don't take Jews and Christians as your allies, meaning as your protectors. Don't rely too much on them. If you do, then you will become one of them, as clearly stated in the ayah. In fact, what is the alternative? Alternative is that we rely on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as our protector, as our ally, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all the true believers. This is the party of Allah eventually, which will be victorious, as we read straight from that ayah. And then finally, as Muslims, we should follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's instructions. We should be the ummah as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us and according to his guidance. Otherwise, it is very easy for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as we read, that he will replace us with better Muslims. Now, we will be at a loss. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not be at a loss. There will be other people who will love him and he will love them, and there is a description of those people, what they do. So we should, it's an opportunity for us. We are blessed that we are Muslims. We are blessed that we are going through the Holy Quran. We are blessed that we have this guidance and this light. So we need to implement it upon our lives and be good Muslims individually and collectively from a society standpoint, so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves us and we also love him, and he does not replace us with better Muslims. Any other comments, any other questions before we close today's class?